at this machine. That blade, I think it's about 20 inches, and it only cuts about 10 inches deep. So they're gonna get, I think it was a 12 or a 14 inch blade, sorry, a 14-inch radius blade, so that they can cut right through those two layers of flagstone and concrete. But look at this machine here. This is used to cut bigger concrete jobs, as opposed to using the hand cutting machine. So this one here is propane powered, and there's your propane cylinder. So it's kind of cool. I think it should have gas as well. Maybe that propane is an extra added on thing that runs one part of the machine, but look at this thing. It's pretty cool.